Hey guys, welcome back to CodeInWeb. So today we will learn how to create class morphism effect in CSS. I will show you how to design these cards using HTML and CSS as well as the background behind it. Also we will use a library called Vanilla Tilt so that when we hover over this card, you can see the card tilt based on the mouse pointer position. So this is what we are going to design in this video. So let's get started. As usual, we will write our code in VS Code, and first we will design this card and then implement the class morphism effect, and after that we will use the Vanilla Tilt.js library. So let's start with the HTML file. So that was it with the HTML file. Now we will write code in CSS. Now we are going to apply the backdrop filter. So now the last thing is we need to add some animation on the cards. That's it with the design of our cards. The last thing we need to do is to add the library called Vanilla Tilt.js, and then we can have the 3D tilt effect for our cards. So let's Google for Vanilla Tilt. As we scroll down, we can see some more demos. This is the most basic. We also have a parallax effect. Let's just stick with the most basic usage, and if you want you can try the others. So I will just show you how to add this to your web page. So if you search for Vanilla Tilt CDN.js, you will find the CDN of this library. So let's go to this website and we can just go ahead and copy this link here. Now let's go to our VS Code to the HTML file, and just before the body ends, we will add the link of the library. So just type script src and paste the library here. And the only thing you need to do is to just type data tilt for whichever division you want this effect to happen. So that was basically with the tilt effect. So let's go back to our web page, and now we can see the tilt effect is working. That was basically for this video. If you go to Vanilla Tilt.js page, we can see that there are a lot more options which you can try with this library. So these are all different options, so we can just copy and paste this code in your page and you can just experiment with your code. So I will show you how to add these options in your code. So now if we will go to our web page, you can see there is glare on our card. On the second card there is no glare and there is no tilt effect. So you just need to copy paste. Now we are having the tilt effect as well as the glare effect on all our three cards. So this is what we call glass morphism effect in CSS.